guys, so I'm back vlogging. So today we have really good and bad news. Well, it's not bad news, but it's like, I don't know, it's very emotional. So today we got the news that the appraisal for the house came through, so we have to start packing. So I'm gonna, show you guys around the house. Maybe once everything is packed and everything's like, out of the way, I will show you guys the house, because I never gave you guys like a house tour. The reason why we're selling the house is because we're moving back to Connecticut and we're gonna buy a house over there. I have very like mixed emotions about it. This was our first house together as a family with Bambi and my husband, and I really grew to love this house, and it's like where I really started my YouTube channel, and it's like where I really started to upload regularly and everything. For sure I'm gonna miss this house a lot, and yeah, I'm kind of sad. Like, I'm sad and I'm happy at the same time, because I'm sad because I'm gonna miss this house. Like, I wish we could just take this house and put it over there and everything would be just fine, but unfortunately that's not the case, so we can't do that. For now we're gonna move back into my mother-in-law's house, and if anything I have to be the one to move first. I just gotta get going to take Bambi to the groomers because he's hairy AF. I'm just hanging out with my babe at his office because he wouldn't let me leave after lunch. So I'm back home, and it feels weird coming home to an empty house. Like, I just hate when Bambi's not here because he always greets me when I come home. It just feels weird when he's not home. They still haven't called me to go pick him up, so they probably call me around 5. But the thing is that today is my sister-in-law's birthday and my dad's birthday, so happy birthday, you guys! So we're gonna go to a restaurant to go eat for her birthday. Hey guys, so my camera died not yesterday, I keep saying yesterday. So my camera died on Wednesday when I was vlogging, when I was talking to you guys. So yeah, today's Friday, it's 11 a.m. and I gotta go to Walmart to buy some tape because I ran out of tape, and crazy glue for Rangel because he broke something yesterday and he needs crazy glue to tape it back together, to glue it back together. I've also gotta go to Dunkin' Donuts to get some food because I'm starving, and we're gonna start packing. So I already started packing yesterday. Well, just taking, not really packing, just taking everything out of this storage thing. Let me show you guys. So this is a mess that we have right now. These are boxes. So in this little box, I'm gonna put all the game boards and all the games. And then here, this one's empty, that one's empty. This one's empty because this one's all broken up. So it's like I had to repackage what was in those two boxes. So in that blue box, we had a wall mount. So I transferred it to this one. What I was doing, just taking everything out of this little storage thing that's under the stairs. And it goes like in a nail like this and then like this under here. And there's still more stuff under here that I still gotta take out, but that's mostly like Rangel car parts that he has in there. And yeah, all the stuff was in there, like the Christmas tree was in there, these two things. So in one of them I have Christmas decorations, and then in the other one I have Halloween decorations, and then more Christmas decorations on top. Here, these are my reindeers. I have a, what is this, a nutcracker. Then I have my little Christmas tree that was in my beauty room. I have these two boxes are more Halloween stuff. And yeah, that's about it here. There's books in here, so yeah. And this is just where I'm gonna put all the mail, because we have a lot of mail that we have to go through that we just keep, so we have to put all the mail in there, go through it, see what we don't need, what needs to get thrown away or like go in the paper shredder thing. So that's what's in there. Then here we have some, here it's Rengel's Turbo, and then there I think we have more Christmas lights. Yes, we have a lot of Christmas stuff, I know. And here I have some things that I used to draw back like when I was in high school. So I did this for him that says I love you, and I love Winnie the Pooh, so I did this for him. Like, this was for like a painting class. I think this like freshman year or sophomore year of high school, I'm not really sure. And then I also have this one, which I never finished, and this one was in 2012, June 2012 that I did it. I never finished it, so I might finish it. So the theme of this was to like draw a picture of us, and the background would be where we met. So we met at our carnivals, and this picture was from my best friend's quince. So we took that at her quince, and I really love this picture, and it really looks like it. I will show you guys if I can find the picture. It might be in my computer. If I can find it, maybe I'll insert it like right here on the side so you guys can see it. Hi. Safety first, always. We're gonna make our way first to Dunkin' Donuts. I eat starving and I need a lot of coffee today. Hi, yes, can I get a medium iced coffee, decaf, cream and sugar? And can I also get a bagel with cream cheese? Plain bagel? Yes, plain bagel. Okay. And that's it. See you in Walmart. I'm getting this one. I also need to buy crazy glue. I'm gonna try and find some storage stuff for my makeup, just because I don't want to throw it all in a box. We'll see what I find. I think most of my palettes will fit in here, and I can just put all my lipstick stuff in here. Look. This is how crazy my hair looks. That's why I'm wearing a hat. I know. So crazy. Guys, I took a break because I was tired, but now I'm back to it, and now that I'm cleaning out this closet, like just everything out on the bed. Dentist. Yes, I am. Look, I did my nails yesterday, but my little diamond that I had there, it fell off. I'm just gonna keep packing, you guys, and maybe I'll see you guys at the storage unit if I vlogged. I want to give you guys a tour, but that's gonna be like a separate video, a tour of this house, of our first house, and maybe I'll give you guys a tour of our new house once we find a new house. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna give you guys a tour of this house, our first house ever, and that's that. But once it's empty, I will give it to you guys. It's very messy right now. Very, very messy. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.